Like nangoate mongleo. That's it. I'm not gonna sing anymore, guys. Come on, please. From Tueng Sang, from Nagaland, from Kohima, sing Konyak song, sir. I will try. I will try to do that later. Yeah, I'm gonna try open my bottle of water, with my left hand, which is my good hand. Yeah. Good evening, sir. Good evening to you also, brother. Ayeng momba, ayeng momba. Okay, so guys, you've already told me where you guys are from, more or less. You're all from Nagaland, obviously, yeah. So let's talk about some tournament memories and highlights, huh? Please, please, please. You know, close your eyes for 1 second. Just for 1 second, okay? Do the same as I'm doing. I'm closing my eyes. I don't give a shit. I'm closing my eyes. All right, for 1 second. Can you still relive the best goal of the tournament? If you can still do that, then you watch the right game. Can you relive it? That cross coming in. Yeah, that cross coming in. That bicycle kick, overhead kick by none other than our friend Ayeng Mongba, who is here in this life. Yeah. So, can you relive that? I mean, what do you guys think? What was the best goal of the tournament in your opinion? Tell me. Drop some messages. For me, it's that moment. That moment for me characterizes what the Dr. Tiao Trophy is all about. The Tiao Trophy, there were a lot of mistakes, there were a lot of errors. The gameplay, some games was seriously, to commentate is really hard to do that, yeah, because there's nothing happening. But that goal made everything else redundant. That goal was just worth it. Worth me spending 2 weeks of my life watching Shamator against Kifri and watching Longlen against Meluri. It was worth it. You know what I mean? And I mean no disrespect to either of those teams. But, wow. That goal was amazing. That goal was incredible, yes? So, I also remember the underdogs, huh? Shamator. Let's not forget. Shamator. You want to see Shamator? Wait. Let me show you Shamator. Shamator! Hi, Shamator!